Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more real estate tech reviews. Homey, a real estate investment app, offers a streamlined approach to property transactions. This review explores Homey's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks, helping you determine if it's the right platform for your investment journey. Find links to Homey and related resources in the description below. Homey aims to simplify the complexities of buying, selling, and investing in real estate, significantly reducing traditional agent fees through its distinctive flat-fee pricing structure. Leveraging technology-driven tools and an in-house support team, Homey caters to both real estate investors and homebuyers seeking a more affordable and efficient experience. A key differentiator of Homey is its transparent flat-fee structure. Instead of the conventional percentage-based commission paid to a real estate agent, Homey charges a fixed fee for its services. This can translate to substantial savings, potentially thousands of dollars per transaction. For investors engaged in frequent buying and selling, these cumulative savings become even more compelling, positioning Homey as a cost-effective alternative. The platform provides comprehensive real estate services encompassing property searches, financing options, insurance, and title services, all conveniently consolidated within a single platform. This integrated approach eliminates the need to coordinate with multiple service providers, significantly streamlining the transaction process and saving valuable time. Furthermore, Homey equips investors with tools to analyze market data and identify properties aligned with their specific investment objectives. Homey's technology-driven interface simplifies every step of the transaction, from listing a property for sale to exploring new investment opportunities. The user-friendly app and website facilitate seamless process management. Investors can efficiently upload listings, schedule showings, and negotiate offers directly within the platform. Another valuable asset is Homey's dedicated in-house support team, comprised of experienced agents, attorneys, and other professionals readily available to address questions and provide assistance throughout the transaction process. While the platform minimizes reliance on traditional agents, this supplementary support ensures investors aren't navigating the complexities of real estate transactions alone. It's important to acknowledge that Homey's services are currently available in a limited number of markets, so geographic availability may be a constraint depending on your location. Additionally, while the flat-fee model offers significant cost advantages, it may not encompass the full-service experience that some investors seek. In summary, Homey presents an attractive platform for real estate investors and buyers aiming to reduce transaction costs and streamline the buying or selling process. The combination of flat-fee pricing, integrated services, and technology-driven tools makes it a compelling option for budget-conscious investors. Explore the links in the description to learn more about Homey and assess its suitability for your real estate investment goals. This review should provide clarity on whether Homey is the right platform for your unique property investment journey.